Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm a girl, but you tell me I'm a lady boy. Inay! Puntahan mo muna! No. Yeah, I am the hair for COVID also. I cannot taste all, but my body is so hot. But we finish like this. That's why half only half. But you cannot taste the food. I'm a lady boy. That was I wish. I'm a lady boy because my father was tell me she was wish to me I'm a lady boy because what is the making of boy I making. But my father was dead. My and also my mother. We have no parents of. Yeah, I'm glad that I'm was tell me like a lady boy. I was like that because my body is like a lady boy. I don't like so much. It's very it's very like a girl. No, I like have I like have a muscles. I don't like straight. I like have a muscles like this. I have is muscle but small, ha? Nagdala. Sino? Sinaga. Sinaga? Oh, picture ni mo? Oh, picture na siya. Ikaw niya to? Ay. Tara. Ito Arabic. Parang invitation niya na. Yeah, thank you guys. Please like my live guys. Thank you so much.